I am sure you will agree with me that no program of national education is complete unless it can provide an appropriate place to national art. The present exhibition is a recognition of this fact and marks the first step towards the goal which the Ministry of Education has set before itself. The most significant characteristic of this exhibition is that it opens before us a vista of 5,000 years of Indian history in all its continuity and wealth. Its value for educational purposes can therefore be easily grasped. It will, I think, be proper to describe briefly the manner in which the exhibits in this collection were chosen. The Royal Academy of Art in London has been taking a special interest in Oriental art since before the war. 1931, the Academy organized the exhibition of Iranian art, and in 1935, that of the art of China. After the war was over, it proposed that a similar exhibition of Indian art should be held. The government of India warmly welcomed the idea and assured the Royal Academy of every possible help. Accordingly, it was proposed to hold the exhibition of Indian art in London. It had been decided that the principle governing the selection of exhibits should be that they would represent the art of India both from its historical and artistic aspect. Art objects India are scattered all over the country. Some are in the possession of the central government, some are with the provinces, and some in the Indian states. There are, in addition, many rare specimens in the ownership of private individuals. It was therefore necessary that a specialist in art should examine all collections carefully and make their selection. A committee was formed for the purpose with His Excellency the Governor of UR for the purpose. These experts from England came to serve on the committee. They toured all over the country and after careful examination chose about 1,000 exhibits which were sent to England in 2039. The exhibition in London fulfilled the purpose for which the collections had been made, and the time came for the return of the exhibits. The Ministry of Education, however, felt that before the exhibits were dispersed, they should once be exhibited in India for the benefit of people here.